Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a factory makes 544 shirts every week. How many shirts are manufactured in 1/4 of a year? As there are 52 weeks in a year. So, 1/4 of year means 1/4 of that 52 weeks. So there will be 13 weeks in 1/4 of year. Now, number of shirts making in a week is given by 544. So, the number of shirts made in 1/4 of a year, that is in 13 weeks, is given by 13 into 544, that is 7072. So our correct option is option